Hi, my name is Montina Portis with Creative Internet Authority, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that lawyers and law firms can use Facebook to market and grow their firms. Alright, so let's get started. In the last video, I showed you how you could use Facebook as a reputation marketing tool, but in this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can actually use Facebook to market your firm. So let's get rid of this here and let me show you. Now, the first way that you're going to use Facebook to market your firm is you're going to use it to post content that builds you up, educational, informative, relative, and it needs to be authoritative. So you're going to use it for SEO purposes, okay? And that's search engine optimization, just in case you don't know. So for SEO, all right? And so the way that you use Facebook, it shows up in organic searches, which is fantastic. You're not pinged for duplicate content, which means you can have some duplicate posts. You might post one thing on Monday and turn around the following Monday or the following Friday and post the same content. Now you might wonder, why would I post the same content? Well, keep in mind that your page is not the only page that your people that like your page are going to see. It's your post. They may or may never see the post the way the algorithms are set up. So the more frequently you post, the more likely they are to connect with you and actually see your post on Facebook. So from an SEO perspective, you want to make sure that you have posts up at least daily. You want to put up the raw videos, which means you're uploading the actual file over to Facebook. You want to make sure that you're putting in notes, newsworthy events. You know, this is where we can kind of PR hijacking. So you want to put in posts that are newsworthy, related back to the practice area from your firm. And again, these show up in the organic search online. So this is a great way to use Facebook to market and grow your firm. The second way that you want to use is for connection and engagement, okay? So I like to use a system, and in our agency, we use a system called ACEIT. And this is an acronym for Attract, Connect, Engage, and Inspire your prospective clients to take action. Now, you're connecting on Facebook because when a prospective client, or even if you have a client, makes a post and they make a comment, you can now connect with them directly on Facebook. Now, this isn't something you need to do immediately. If you can't get to your page for 24, even 48 hours, that's a little long though, it's still okay. I would recommend that you definitely have someone managing your Facebook page so that you don't have posts out there lingering too long, and also to make sure that you have management of that page. Facebook is a great place to connect, but it still is a place where people can complain or attack. So we want to make sure that we're cognizant of that and we're managing the page effectively. Now, don't get scared with that. Have a page with over 6,000 likes, and it's very rare that someone would come on and attack you in any way. But you want to use Facebook to connect and to engage. And that means, again, you can use it on certain days of the week to answer questions. Hey, what questions do you have? I have 10 minutes in between, lunch or trial or just something like that, and you'd be able to connect with your prospective clients and answer questions. The other thing, and you might think, well, why answer questions? Again, it's building yourself up as the authority online. You're positioning yourself as the authority online. The next way that you can use Facebook is to retarget. Now, this simply is a cookie that is added into your site. We call it a pixel. And then when people come to visit your site, once they go back on Facebook, those sidebar ads, well, you can now retarget them for up to 180 days. Now, this is something I highly recommend because we call it low-hanging fruit. Retargeting is extremely important because there's a reason why a prospective client went to your site. I mean, we don't peruse the internet and say, oh, I'm just going to go check out a few attorneys, unless you're a marketer like me. They're going there for a reason. You want to get back in front of them. Maybe something happened at home. They had to pick their kid up off the school bus. They had to fix lunch or breakfast. The phone rang. You want to make sure that you're staying in front of them with a retargeting pixel. The next one we have here is through reputation marketing. Now, this is a very simple one of just asking for reviews. Again, reputation marketing. On your Facebook business page, there's a place there where your clients can review you and you can market that reputation. You can connect with your clients there. And again, you can respond and engage. And you want to market that on your website through review cards and so on. The fifth way that you can connect is to answer questions. And like I said, you can do that through a question and answer day, but you can do it, and the best way to do it is through video. So you could have a video done where it just says, hey, today I'm answering questions, put your questions below and I'm going to answer them right beneath this video. And then at the very end, maybe if you have 10 minutes, the very end you can say, okay, questions, this post is closed for the day, I'll see you the next time. But this is a great way to position yourself as an authority online. Or if you have questions that you answer through video, you can post the videos up online, building authority. It's all about positioning when you're online, positioning yourself as the authority and the expert. If there are thousands of DUI attorneys, right now I'm in Atlanta, Georgia, there are over 40,000 lawyers in Georgia. Why would I choose you? What makes you stand out? And maybe you haven't written a book yet, but if you have all these videos, you're answering questions, you're providing information, video builds trust, and you definitely want to do that. So again, my name is Montina Portis with Creative Internet Authority, and I'm using video to provide great information for you because video builds that trust and that authority. I'm also the author of How to Market Your Law Firm Online, so if you don't have a copy of that, I want to urge you to visit our site so you can get your free copy today. Again, Montina Portis, and I'll see you in the next video as we're going to highlight the type of content that should be included on your Facebook page.